Hi, I'm Miss Christine from Teensy Weensy ABCs and 123s Preschool. We do online and in-person classes. Today we are going to show you how to make lemonade with freshly squeezed lemons and with powder lemonade. Okay, so first of all, safety-wise, do you touch a sharp knife? No. Only the adult. So I will cut first. You will need at least 10 lemons. We already started squishing our lemons into our pitcher to get 1.5 cups of lemon juice. You can also use from the bottle too, if you don't have enough. So you can come over here and start squeezing while I cut. Squish, squish, squish. It's kind of hard, so you may need an adult to help you squish. And there are also lemon squeezers that you can do this with it too. Okay, so let me put the knife away. Okay, so now you guys can come over here and each take a turn. Okay, we're putting our fresh lemons in here that have been squeezed. So those are out of the way. Get it right over there. Do you need help? Squeeze. Good. There you go. I think you got it. You probably will get some lemon seeds in yours. Yes, okay, go ahead and do those, please. So you'll need 1.5 cups of fresh lemon juice in there. And then we need to pour 5 cups of cold water in here. This is actually only 4 cups, so we need the other cup of water too that we poured. Where did it go? Did you bring it over? No? Where'd you put it? Go check. Okay, so you can come over here and help me pour the 4 cups in.
What are you guys doing?
Okay. Here. And this is 1 more cup, so we get a total of 5 cups. Okay. Let's put that down to the side. Okay, what are we missing now here?
Sugar.
Sugar. Where is our sugar? And our measuring cups.
The measuring cup was supposed to be in there.
Where is it? I need the black measuring cup.
What? We have to go get it.
I will use this one. Okay. So we need 1 cup and 1/2 cup of sugar. So let's take our sugar. Oops. Oh. Sometimes messes happen. Woo! That happens. Adults make messes too. Okay, so let's take our pitcher here, and you can pour that in.
Can I do it like this?
Okay, can you scoot that way so she can take a turn now? Okay, there is our 1/2 cup, and that goes in here. Okay, what do we do after we put our sugar in?
Mix.
We mix.
Mommy, do we take turns? I'm gonna mix it. What does a black
Okay,
thing
so you might have a little bit of sugar on you, so you might need to go wash your hands. And before you start, you always wash your hands with soap and water too. You're gonna get that out, so okay, so we're mixing the lemonade, and let's try it here.
Mommy!
Okay. Would you like to mix some?
It's already done.
Okay, so let's into the cup.
And I think these straws.
You're in the way. Move to the side. And put the straw in. Okay, so let's taste test here.
Good. Good.
Let's see here. It's good. Is it sweet or sour or bitter?
It's sweet.
Okay, you can try it. Go ahead and put a straw in there for
And the ice
you.
now. You got some ice too.
Oh yes, we can't forget the ice cubes.
Two of each.
This is yours. Okay, and then you need your ice cube. Oh, you drank it all? Okay. I bet it's kind of a sweet and sour taste.
Sweet.
It's very sweet. Okay, so now everybody move to the side for me, please. And now we're going to take our powdered lemonade down here. And I already have 2 quarts in here. We'll take off the cover. And put in up to the line right here, okay? So that goes in there. Powdered lemonade's a lot easier. You don't have to use those muscles. Okay. So now we need to mix that carefully. Okay, let me try. Turn to the side. You have to remember they're looking at you. All that powder mixed. Okay, so now we're going to compare our 2 different lemonades and see which one you like better. If one's sweeter, if one's more sour. Okay, I think that's good. Let's put our top back on.
Where's mine?
It's right here.
I'll taste this.
Okay, hold on.
Mommy, where's my lemon?
It's right here. Come over here, please. So here is yours with the powder. Would you like to try some?
It's sour. It's really sour.
This one's more sour,
And it doesn't taste
and that's
like
more sweet.
it tastes like water.
Tastes like water. Okay, so which one would you vote for? The freshly made
Gotta
one?
mix it more.
I would say so too. Mm-hmm.
Gotta mix it.
Okay. So I think we
I want
are
it
all done. Oh, you want to try and see what you think? And you guys can tell us what you think when you try it, okay? Okay. Have a great time making your lemonade.
Mine's
Bye.
sweet.
Is it sweet?
Mine's sweet. No,
Say
mine's
bye.
Bye.